Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luisa Rodriguez and today I am going to show you how I put together a simple, inexpensive gift for Mother's Day. Okay, so what you're gonna need is to download your Walgreens app to your phone and of course have your students' pictures on your phone. You also want to go to your Play Store and just download a Mother's Day picture frames, and that's so you can decorate the pictures of your students. So once you have that, you're going to send the pictures over to Walgreens to get them developed. And then you're going to need scissors, treat bags, and the treat bags, I purchased them at Family Dollar. Your magnetic dots. I actually had these magnetic dots with me for a while already, but I purchased them at Lakeshore Teacher Supply Store. You're also going to need some string. I also got this at Family Dollar. Your stapler, and of course some sequins. You can use any kind of sequins. These are the sequences that I'm going to use today. Okay? So once you have your pictures developed, and today I'm going to use my daughter's picture as an example, you are going to want to use the magnetic dots and just put one dot on each corner of the picture. Okay? So once you have the magnetic dots on the picture, you're going to get the treat bag and you're going to slide the picture inside the treat bag. And then you are going to get the sequence. Let me just slide it in there. And then you're going to get the sequence and just pour all the sequence inside. And the sequence, of course, they're for decoration. As you can see, you see them? It's just the decoration part. And then you're going to get the top part and you're going to fold it. And you're going to staple each corner. And staple each corner. And of course, just to secure the picture and the sequence. And then you're going to get some string. And I already have the string cut. And you're going to get the string, put it together, put it on one corner of the treat bag, and then staple it. And I usually like to put 2 staples just to secure the string. And voila! This is your gift for Mother's Day from your students to their parents. And doesn't it look very nice? Okay? Well, thank you guys for watching and please keep sharing. See you soon. Bye-bye.